This guy decided to take a nap while riding his motorcycle on the highway.
والله نايم كده ده طلع ينتحر ولا التاني.
Ma'am, we'd like to call you concerning your car's extended warranty. Ma'am.
Putang ina! Si Optimum Pride! Puking inang yan, Optimum Pride. Tangina. Babe, si Optimum Pride do.
This cat came back home and they brought back a friend.
Is there a mouse on your back? There's a... Okay. Okay. I'm gonna... Okay, no. Okay, hold on.
Damn, I sure am thirsty.
This guy is trying to sell his car, but you would just have to do some minor repairs.
I want is $7,000. Look at this bitch. $7,000 for this car. But I got a slight dent in the back. You give me $7,000, all you gotta do.
Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Really hope you enjoyed watching it. Tell someone you love him, and I'll catch you in the next one. Nick a bit.